So we look at another problem now, just to get more practice with this notation. So here we have to find r, and r 5 times 4 pr is equal to 6 times 5 pr minus 1. So we have to find r. So again, you should be able to do it. And remember this thing that always in NPR, r has to be between 0 and n. This is the crucial part. And then you should be able to actually solve this problem. And the options are 3, 5, 8, and 10. And the answer is 3. And let us look at why that is the case. So we just have 5 times 4p r equal to 6 times 5p r minus 1, right? So again, like before, we just expand this formula to 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r factorial is equal to 6 times 5 factorial divided by 5 minus r plus 1 factorial, right? So looking at the numerator, we just have 5 into 4 factorial, 6 into 5 factorial. Then you should be able to see that this is 5 factorial on this side, so you can cancel it out with this 5 factorial. We just see that it's 1 divided by 4 minus r factorial is equal to 6 divided by, this is 6, so you have 6 minus r factorial, right? So we can again take cross multiply, and we'll have 6 minus r factorial is equal to 6 multiplied by 4 minus r factorial. So you again have to see how to express this factorial in terms of this. So it is 6 minus r into 6 minus r minus 1 into 6 minus r minus 2 factorial, right? So these are just properties you have learned in factorial notation. I'm just using them. So here we just have, what is 6 minus 2? It is 4 minus r, so 4 minus r factorial will cancel with this thing. So we have 6 minus r into 5 minus r is equal to 6, right? I'll just go slightly down in the screen, because this much I should always write implies we want to be precise. And then we just open this. It is r square minus 11r plus 30 equal to 6. And this is a quadratic equation. You have to solve 11r plus 24 equal to 0. This isn't a class in solving quadratic equations, but you can see that it will be basically r minus 8 and r minus 3 if you factorize it, or you can use the quadratic equation formula. And you have options which are, I'll go a little bit more down. You have r equal to 3 or r is equal to 8. R is equal to 8 is not right, because if you see, we said that r always has to be less than or equal to n, which is 4 in this case. So only 3 is feasible. Therefore, I will just select r equal to 3. So that's the answer. So I hope you learned a bit getting familiar with the notation through these problems. That was the objective of these two problems.